Hello and welcome back to Epic Yarn Gems. Today I'm going to be showing you a stitch that will decrease the number of stitches you have in a row. We're going to start with the double crochet 2 together. The abbreviation for that is DC, the number 2, TOG. I'm going to start us off here with a swatch of double crochets. We're going to yarn over, go underneath the V of your first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You'll have 3 on your hook. You're going to yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. In a normal double crochet, you'd yarn over, pull through the next 2, but you're going to yarn over and go into that next stitch, pull up a loop. You'll have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, and pull through the last 3. Now you've taken 2 stitches and combined them into 1. So let's do that again. Yarn over, go underneath the V, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, go into your next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2, and yarn over, pull through the last 3. So I'm going to go through this with you a couple more times for practice. So we're going to yarn over, we're going to go underneath that V, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops that are on your hook, yarn over, go into that next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, then yarn over and pull through the next 3. So let's practice one last time with our yarn over, going under the V of our first stitch, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, go into the next stitch under that V, pull up a loop, 4 on your hook, yarn over through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the last 3. This is very useful when you are doing any crafts that has you decrease your stitches, and this is what it will look like from the top when you have combined 2 and made them into 1. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, please hit the like button and leave me some comments. Also, if you want to see my next videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. I hope you've had a great day. Thanks. Bye.